guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing something that I haven't done in a while, and that is we are vlogging a full day of eating keto low carb. So what that looks like is I take you along with me and I show you everything that I eat, whether it's breakfast, lunch, dinner, a snack, something that might pop up during the day, anything that I eat. We vlog about, we show you, and I track it in the Carb Manager app, and I show you at the end of the day the macros and where I wound up as far as a keto, fat, protein, carb ratio goes. So we are going to do that. We're going to hop in, and I sometimes plan ahead. Like I kind of start the day knowing I'm going to have these items, and then if something changes, I just adjust. But today was kind of a last minute decision to do this. So I have nothing planned, and I'm really excited for you guys to see it because I've already actually at the time of this intro halfway through the day, and you can definitely tell that I had no clue that I was doing this today, and you can see kind of what happens in real life, and that's the exciting part about it. So if you want to know what a day of eating keto low carb looks like for me, then just keep watching. Good morning, guys. So we are following me on an entire day of eating keto, and I think I probably told you in the intro I did not plan this at all, so I have no idea what's about to happen. So what I normally do for breakfast, and that's what we're gonna do right now, is I don't actually eat like food usually for breakfast. I did yesterday because I had a breakfast meeting, so today I'm definitely skipping that, and I am just going to do a version of a bulletproof coffee. So if you're looking for a recipe on a bulletproof coffee, I have a link down below, but I'm going to be using my keto cream in my coffee. So I just brewed my coffee, and I'll show you how I do this. And I take a shaker bottle. Okay, this one actually, surprise, little fun tidbit. I've never used this one before. So we're using a shaker bottle, and I put in 10 ounces of coffee. So that's on you guys how much coffee you want. It's done. Isn't that great? So I put in 10 ounces. Do you guys love how right now I'm just coming at you real, no makeup, my hair's not done, I take a shower. And that's about as far as I got today. All the kids made it to school on time, so that was a win because yesterday that did not happen. I've filled this up with 10 ounces of coffee, and then I'm going to put the entire packet. You can put half a packet. I use the whole one because, again, this is my breakfast. It fills me up. It gives me a whole bunch of really great MCT oils that I need, healthy fats, collagen, all that really awesome goodness. Helps with hair, skin, nails. And what I love is that this one is just the regular flavor, the sweet cream. Now, if you have an allergy to coconut or milk, this probably isn't for you because it does say that it contains that. So I would probably stay away from that if that's you. There are other flavors, but I'm using that one. And what I love about it is when I shake it up, so I'm going to put it on. Now, I've done this where I put it on and I don't close the lid correctly, and then it goes flying all over my kitchen. And I have white tile, so I'm sure you can imagine how great that is. We're going to shake it. You can do a little dance while I shake it, whatever you want to do. And then I'm going to pop it up. I love that it comes out like a latte. So I have my cup. I usually use a really big mug. I do use a travel mug for this if I'm going out in those mornings. And I will drink this. Sometimes I pour a little extra coffee in if it just gets cold, or I reheat it in the microwave, honestly. I will show you. Oh, look at that. It's really great. So the macros for everything are going to be in here. I'll put everything into the Carb Manager app and then track it throughout the day. And that way you get to see, because again, I have no idea what I'm even going to be doing right now for lunch or dinner or anything like that. So I'll do this, and then I guess I'll see you guys again at lunchtime. So for lunch, I'm actually on my way out of the house. I'm going to meet a friend, and we're going for Mexican. So I have no idea what I'm going to order. I will take a picture. I'll see what the vibe is like. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film in there or not, but I will definitely let you guys know, and I'll try to figure out the macros as best I can, and we'll see what happens. I can tell you I'm definitely going to have a water, so that'll take care of my beverage, and I'm thinking maybe like a taco salad, but then like not really eating the shell. I'm not sure. Okay. I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, so I just got back from lunch. I went to lunch with one of my really good friends. Haven't seen her in a long time, so it was great just to talk and catch up. But I let her choose where lunch was going to be, and she chose Mexican. So I ended up going to a place called El Tepayac. Love, love, love. If you're in New Jersey, South Jersey area, you need to hit them up. It's so good. But I kind of was like, oh, what am I gonna eat? Because I'm recording this, so I need to find something. And I actually ended up going with a taco salad. The meat that I chose was beefsteak, and it came with lettuce, steak, guacamole, sour cream, cheese. It had some pico de gallo, and I also had them add jalapenos on top. And then obviously it came in the shell, and I did not eat all of the shell. I did pick off a couple pieces, I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna try to figure out as best I can kind of what the macro breakdown for that was. I know it's not gonna be perfect, so like, don't give me a bunch of hate comments about it, but this is real life and this is what happens. And when you go out to eat, you have to kind of figure it out as best as you can and try to make good decisions. It did come with rice and beans. I just chose not to eat that part. So I had a water, and that is what lunch was. So what dinner is going to be, I have no idea. It's a Friday. Normally Friday is kind of chaotic around here. Kids have basketball and all different things, so dinner is usually a hot mess. I don't know what's gonna happen, so. Hey guys, okay, so this is for my vlog of full day of eating. I just actually recorded a different video of me making keto bread in 90 seconds, which looks like this. And you'll watch on the video whether or not I liked it. I'll put the link down for that in the box below. I don't know which one's gonna come out first. So go ahead. I did eat like, I don't know, 2 bites maybe of this bread. So I could try to put that in macros, but honestly, I think we're just gonna skip it. That bread consists of almond flour and eggs, and I thought I'd turn that sound off, and a couple other little things, but nothing major. So again, it was 2 bites, but I wanna be real with you about what I'm eating today. So that was that. Hi guys, okay, dinner time. So I had no idea what to make, and I had sausage in the fridge, so I made some Italian sausage, both sweet and spicy, and I also roasted some broccoli. So I'll show you my plate after I put it all together. I already put it into my carb manager app, and I see where I am for the day. I actually already added a fat bomb to the carb manager app as well, because I know I'm gonna have one of those after my dinner. And I have a recipe for the fat bomb. It's so easy, there's no baking. You mix and put stuff in the freezer. It's great. And I'll put that description down below. And so basically, overall, I did really, really great today. I landed at about 69–70% fat, 22% protein, and then a little bit of carbs. I actually didn't even use up all my carbs last time I looked at it, which is pretty great. And especially because I didn't plan this and I went out for lunch. So it's totally possible. You guys can totally do this. You just have to get creative sometimes and just pay attention to what you're doing. So thank you guys for hanging out with me today and following my full day of eating keto low carb. Like this video, please, because it would encourage me so much to do another one. And also subscribe to the channel so that you stay tuned for all new stuff. Until next time.